Hey ladies and gentlemen, 2015 cheap Grand Cherokee 4-cylinder. I am going to remove the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor lives I know I'm going to get accused for not sharing information. Right there's a plug. Can't get the camera angle just right, but right there is the plug. That I believe is 8mm. I don't know that it may be a 10, but this is a task that can easily be accomplished. I'm doing a visual inspection, sorry about that. I know the lady that owns this vehicle, so I'm trying to check this over as good as I can. Okay, so the plug wasn't plugged in all the way, but regardless of that, the reason I'm exchanging is simply because I'm not actually getting paid for this job, so it's more feasible for me to go ahead and exchange this part. It's not because there's this common problem with these parts to be bad, and I guess I didn't say that in the beginning, but this thing has been replaced, so. And what they were telling me, and that's the reason I'm doing what I'm doing, I guess I need to tell you that part as well. The reason I'm just exchanging that is because supposedly before there was no issue with the vehicle not starting correctly. Now, I've done the one thing that they didn't know about, and that they didn't do obviously, is a cam and crank relearn. We have the option of doing that on these vehicles, so I'm going to go ahead and do that on this one again. I've obviously done it once. I've had the vehicle here already. Like I said, these bad parts is nothing unusual right now. We happen to get them all the time. See what's going on with this. So that's the crankshaft position sensor. I'm making sure that they didn't bend pins and all that good stuff, and it doesn't appear to be bent or anything like that. In any event, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna exchange that. That really did not seem like that O-ring was sealing, but it was. So it felt really loose, but it is sealing, consider the fact that there ain't no wet spot on this thing. So I'm gonna pause you up, get that taken care of. Okay, did some exo changing. You know where it's at. I mean, at this point in time, it's kind of a little bit redundant for me to even show this, but anyway, I dropped the bolt a while ago. I really don't know where this stupid thing ended up. So we're not going to look for a long time. Best thing to do is to put a little bit of grease around that O-ring. That helps it tremendously to go back into place. I use my rattle can for that. Rattle can grease is pretty good stuff. Just red grease in a can is all it is. Shove it back in the hole, and honestly, that one fits much tighter than the last one. A whole lot tighter. See if we get that bolt started in here. It pretty much sits in a straight angle. The plug-in does, so there'll be no problem there. If you didn't break your lock, make sure to clip that back in, because they didn't. As a matter of fact, I don't even know that it was plugged in right. So, unknowns. It is what it is. So I'm going to leave the camera running for just a minute. So the concern was a long crank time, and it does it every time apparently. So I'll let the lift down real quick. Like I said, I have no idea what it's going to do, and it may even be too warm to do it, if it still does it, because it only does it when it's cold. Well, that was a quick video. The problem with the whole thing is that with it being such a short window of opportunity to catch what's actually going on, it's going to be hard to find. You know, it could be a fuel pressure issue where the fuel pump bleeds the pressure off and it doesn't prime up. You know, I don't know. It has to be checked, you know, and obviously I haven't checked anything because it's a freebie. Anyway, yeah. If there's any more, I will turn the camera back on. Other than that, well, thanks for watching.